I'm Susan Smith-Nash. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about e-learning. Now, today I'm going to talk about a few concerns I have with Web 2.0 applications and how they're used in online courses and in mobile learning. I have a few concerns because I think that many of the ways that are being used in applications are maybe a little bit gimmicky or almost empty. And I think that in order to effectively use Web 2.0 applications, one really has to have an effective learning strategy. And it's very important to sort of merge what you want to do and what you want to accomplish in your class with the tools and techniques that you are going to use. So let's talk a little bit about, say for example, mashups. Mashups can be, they can be anything from very, very integrated, high productivity types of applications to a little bit gimmicky things that just sort of combine the Google Maps and something else, say for example restaurants. And I think that once a person learns how to put together the mashups, which are fairly easy to do if you use a platform like iGoogle, you really don't have to use any types of programming. It's kind of, you don't have to use Ajax or anything like that. It can be pretty empowering, but it can also be a time waster. So let's think about excellent ways to actually use mashups. One way to use mashups effectively is to bring together two applications that inform each other. So for example, if you are talking about, say, let's use the example of Google Maps and say certain brands of stores, say Target and McDonald's. If you can locate those and spot them on a map using Google Maps and zip codes, you can get a sense of distribution of centers, which could be helpful for commercial centers, which could be helpful if you are in a marketing class. Now let's think about some of the Web 2.0 applications that have to do with mobile learning or instant messaging. You can use, say, Meebo or some of the other instant messaging programs to send one message to multiple message centers, say using Yahoo and MSN, instant messaging, AOL, and they can do it instantly and simultaneously, which is really good because people pick them up on their phones or on their laptops or on their iTouches or iPods, and it's a great way, well, iPhones, and it's a great way to send out messages. Another excellent application in terms of communication and social networking is to be able to share content. But again, don't just share any old content. If it is learning objective based, then if you put together, say something in Facebook or MySpace and people post their portfolios and share them, then they actually share something that has to do with the learning objective. So I could kind of drone on and on about this. I just wanted to talk a little bit about Web 2.0 applications and mashups and the importance of aligning the instructional strategy with the learning objectives and the outcomes, and also making sure that your outcomes assessments reflect the type of work that you've done in the course. So thank you, and I hope to hear from you.